Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best sanding discs available on the market right now, the SATC 46PC sanding discs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these discs promise to be a game changer in your workshop. Let's get into the details. These sanding discs come in a pack of 46, with a variety of fine, medium, and coarse grits, ensuring you have the right abrasiveness for any project. They're 2 inches in diameter, ideal for precision work with a die grinder. The discs are made from premium aluminum oxide, known for its durability and excellent performance in sanding and polishing. What sets these discs apart is their quick change design with a 1x4-inch roll lock holder, making swapping discs a breeze. They're perfect for surface conditioning, whether you're removing rust, stripping paint, or polishing metal. The aluminum oxide construction ensures longevity and consistent performance. These discs are compatible with various materials including stainless steel, alloys, plastics, and even fiberglass. I've tested these discs extensively, and I must say, they deliver on their promise. The coarse discs excel at heavy material removal, while the fine discs provide a smooth finish without leaving scratches. They're versatile enough for automotive work, metal fabrication, or even intricate woodworking tasks. The roll lock system ensures they stay securely in place during use, which is crucial for safety and efficiency. Let's hear from some users who've put these discs to the test. Users appreciate the longevity of these discs compared to others on the market. They find them indispensable for their projects, citing the ease of use and consistent results as major selling points. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a hobbyist, these discs seem to hit the mark. In conclusion, the SATC 46PC's sanding discs are a solid choice for anyone looking for reliability and performance in their sanding and polishing tasks. With a wide range of grits, durable construction, and a user-friendly design, they're worth every penny. Whether you're tackling small household repairs or large-scale projects, these discs won't let you down. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and DIY tips here on Product Critique. See you next time.